Welcome to the yanSAFE tutorial video. yanSAFE is a product designed to make it easy to manage, monitor, and create masternodes on the PAC Protocol network. yanSAFE is a full node and has all the functionality of a wallet. When you first launch yanSAFE, it will ask you where you want to store your blockchain information. Select a location that has 20 gigabytes of storage or more and click on Apply. yanSAFE will ask you if you want to use the bootstrap provided by the PAC Protocol team. To ensure a quick synchronization with the network, click on Download Bootstrap. This will download the PAC Protocol blockchain and make sure you have all the information. After the bootstrap is deployed, you will be prompted if you want to update the PAC Protocol daemon. Select Update Daemon. If you do not have a PAC Protocol wallet already, click on New Wallet. If you have an old wallet, locate the wallet.dat and select for Import Wallet. I have an old wallet.dat which I want to import to yanSAFE. Drag your wallet.dat into the yanSAFE wallet and click on Import. Welcome to yanSAFE. This is the main screen here. You can see your latest transactions and your balance. On the bottom right, you can see if you are up to date with the blockchain. When you go to the left of the wallet, you will see 4 different tabs: Overview, Send, Receive, Masternode. Click on Send. Here you can store the addresses of wallets you frequently interact with. I am adding my friend Kuhn. Now I can enter how much PAC I would like to send. MN is a masternode and will enter 500,000. I will send 10 PAC to my friend Kuhn. Now we go to Receive. Here you can generate, edit, and remove addresses from your wallet. To generate an address, click on New Address, enter the tag, and click on Create. Now you have your own PAC Protocol address. This is the Masternode tab. Here you can see all the PAC Protocol masternodes on the network. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your own PAC Protocol masternode using yanSAFE. Go to My Masternodes. Click on New Masternode. You will need 500,000 PAC exactly in a single input, so make sure you have at least 1,000 PAC more. Click on Create New Collateral. Now you can see you have made a 500,000 PAC collateral in your wallet. Select the collateral and click Continue. Here you can choose 3 steps: Vultr, SSH automation, and advanced setup. Vultr is the integrated API setup that is the easiest. SSH automation requires you to have a server with the IP and password. yanSAFE will do the rest of the setup. Advanced is for when you use a third-party masternode provider. For this video, we will use Vultr API. How to get the Vultr API key is documented under this link. Once you have your Vultr API key, put it in and click on Create New Instance. Now yanSAFE will connect with Vultr Setup, a server, and install the PAC Protocol software. This can take up to 10 minutes. Once this is done, you can see the masternode in your masternode list. It will need one confirmation to show all the masternode information. Congratulations, you've set up a PAC Protocol masternode. Encryption. Now let's make our wallet safe and encrypt our wallet. Go to Settings and click on Encrypt Wallet. Here you can enter your password. Make sure it's a good one. Now my wallet is protected with a password. yanSAFE can also be used to stake your PAC and receive a 100 PAC reward if your input is used for staking. To stake your PAC, you will need to unlock your wallet by clicking the lock on the bottom left of the wallet, enter some numbers, and click your passphrase, then click Confirm. This will unlock this amount of time entered. Now click the piggy bank icon in the bottom left and staking will be enabled. To make sure staking is active, you can go to the debug console and type get staking status. When staking is active, all will return true. In yanSAFE, you can show your balance in a different currency. To do that, go to Settings and select your preferred currency from the drop-down list. This is also the place where you can do wallet maintenance, enable light mode, and disable the animations. Backup. To backup your yanSAFE wallet, go to Settings and click on Wallet Maintenance. Here you select Open Backup Location. Now it will open your Explorer. Go one folder back to the .PAC Protocol folder and copy your wallet.dat to a safe location. Now you need to back up your data folder. Go back one more folder, and this is where you will find the data folder. For more information, visit pacprotocol.com and join our communities such as Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and others listed at the bottom of our website.